I spent 3 hours making the stick figure fight. There are some mistakes and tiny details you probably didn't notice. Let's break it down together. Starting with the first attack, it was originally really choppy. To fix this, I added easing and squash and stretch. The stick figure squishes slightly, moves a little in the next frame, then quickly shoots forward and stretches out. After that, the stick figure gets ready to punch. The punch was originally unclear, so I added easing again. It starts off slow, then quickly speeds up, making the punch feel more powerful. The next attack is a kick after a quick dodge. This also uses easing. The stick figure starts out slow, then the leg quickly speeds up. To make the kick feel more powerful, I also added a small screen shake by moving the entire camera back and forth for a few frames. The black stick figure follows up with a quick combo. At the beginning, I used squash and stretch. Just like before, I used easing to make the animation smooth and screen shakes to add power to the black stick figure's attacks. There isn't much to say for the rest of this animation, but I did add an impact frame and some screen shakes to add power. I hope you enjoyed today's video. To summarize, I'll list what we learned today. First of all, use squash and stretch when your character is moving to make your animation look smooth. Second of all, use easing to add power to your animation. For example, before a punch, it goes from slow to fast. And finally, use screen shakes to add power to your attacks. Thank you for listening.